Welcome to APPA's new eReliability Tracker software. We hope the software will help ensure that all public power utilities have access to a reliability metrics tool to allow utilities to better monitor and maintain their reliable customer service. This is a simple way to better your utility. As a leader in the software, you have the ability to create new users and profiles for utility personnel. You can document outages and view and run reports on your outages. This video intends to demonstrate some of the key functions available to you as a leader. First, we'll start with the basics of logging in and creating new users. You will initially be sent a link with instructions to create your account's username and password. Once you've done this, you can create other users at your utility. To do this, click on the Manage tab found at the top of your screen. You will see two options available, but choose the Users sub-tab. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see a Create New Users button. Click this. You have two ways you can create users, but the easiest and safest way is to send your new user a link to register them the same way you were sent a link from APPA. You can do this on the right-hand portion of the Create New User form. Choose what role or permission level you wish this person to have and which utility, if you're part of a joint action agency, and click Create Registration. A green box will appear at the bottom of your screen with a registration link. Send this link to your new user so they can also create their own login credentials. Now that you have some of your personnel set up in the system, you are able to manage them in your Utilities profile. The first sub-tab, under the Manage tab, Utilities, allows a leader to edit the details of their utility. For example, the number of customers, naming and creating substations, customers, and equipment. To edit your utilities details, click on the name of your utility. On the right-hand side, you'll see the options to edit your substations, customers, and equipment. Under the Substations button, you can create new substations by clicking the button on the right-hand side. To edit a substation's information, click on the name of the substation. You have the opportunity to change the substation's names and add and/or edit the circuits that connect to that substation. Under the Edit Customers button, you can add or edit your utility's customers. These customers are often the key accounts that a utility wants to keep track of. By clicking the button on the top right-hand side where it says Create a New Customer, you will be able to create a new customer. If you already have a customer entered in the system, you are able to edit it by clicking the name of the customer. These customers are also referred to as your key accounts on the outage page. In the Edit Equipment button, you have the chance to change and edit the default list of equipment. This information is included when reporting an outage and should be as detailed as your utility needs it to be. You can manually add your own equipment through the Create New Equipment button on the top of the right-hand side of your screen. If the new equipment you wish to add does not fall under any of the categories already listed on the equipment screen, leave the parent menu blank and enter the name of your equipment. If the new equipment is related to a piece of equipment already listed, choose that similar equipment as the parent when creating a new equipment record. You also have the ability to import a list of equipment your utility already uses by using the Import Equipment CSV button on the top right-hand side of your screen. The second sub-tab, Users, provides a list of all the users for your utility. The details that will be displayed for each user are their username, the utilities they're associated with, their role or permission level, whether they're active, and their last login time. On this page, you have the ability to search, delete, and/or add users. To delete users, you have to click the checkboxes of those utilities that you would like to remove. Click the Bulk Action drop-down menu and then choose Delete Selected Users. Be warned, however, that users are permanently deleted. Now on to the report screen. Reports are used to display data visually. They can be essential to discovering problem areas and identifying the most severe outages. For each type of report listed at the top of your screen, you can view your utility's reliability statistics. Each type of report form can be filled with basic information such as the date range you want to report from or which substation you want to report for. Once you tailor the information you want to review, you have three options to view the data: print, download the report to a CSV file, or generate the report directly on your screen. You can run an infinite number of reports through this function. Thank you for taking time to learn more about your role in this new software. If you have any troubles understanding the software or for general eReliability tracker questions, please contact reliability@publicpower.org.